Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we'll be looking at the PowerWave 10 station. It's a dual wireless charger basically, and it allows you to charge two wireless devices simultaneously. It uses a AC wall plug instead of a USB wall plug, which is a little unfortunate because you've got to find a wall plug that's nearby if you're short on plug sockets nearby. Instead, you've got to plug this into the wall, and it's a AC adapter here that connects to the end of this port here, and then basically you connect it together and you get two blue lights to indicate whether something has been placed on either of these pads. The pads themselves indicate which two are available and to be placed on, and you've got like a small raised rubber ring to stop anything from sliding around on the actual pad if the table gets jolted or something like that. So it's a dual one from Anker. Anker do other ones as well. They do like a flat type, which is very similar, and also Anker does like a power. This is the PowerWave 7.5 stand. This is my preferred way of wireless charging, because if you're in a desktop environment, you can actually have a mobile phone or like an Android or iPhone that can wirelessly charge from a standing position, which is a lot easier when you get push notifications and things like that. So with the benefit of the dual charger is that you can actually lie flat a phone that can charge, and also anything like the AirPods Pro that will also charge at the same time as indicated here. And then you've got two indicators in the center console which will tell you whether it's actually charging, or it will flash if you've got something that's not wirelessly chargeable, or it's positioning correctly. It's a wieldy charger even. It's about 8 inches long by about 3.5 inches wide, so it's actually quite chunky to have on a desktop station or a nightstand or like a kitchen countertop. It's black. It'd be nice if it was fabric or something, just something that would blend in a little bit neater with a home environment. But it does what it does, and it does it well. It's a 10-watt charger wirelessly. It can also do 10 for Samsung phones, 7.5 for iPhones, and also 5 watt for the Google Pixel phones and other devices that are in those ranges. So yes, it's a good Anker charger if you want that kind of thing. I personally prefer the stands over a flat based charger, but if you've got something that like a kitchen counter or something like that that wants to be able to charge two devices, or a bedside nightstand, this will do the job. Right. So this is the quick overview of the PowerWave 10 station from Anker, and you can check our full review on the website carplaylife.com. Check the comments for the full link. Alright, that's it for now, and if you enjoy this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.